Hi, good evening, everyone. Tony here again. Still on the training series on how to make money trading Bitcoin and altcoins. So, yesterday we talked about this course outline, the objective. We talked about understanding altcoin trading concept, opening cryptocurrency exchange account, setting security, and I deposited fund into the account I opened yesterday, and we'll go over to the exchange and confirm if the payments are actually reflected in the account. So, as it is my tradition, I'll quickly talk about the disclaimer, important disclaimer. Trading cryptocurrency is highly risky due to high volatility of prices of most coins. So constantly profitable trading is not impossible, yet it requires continuous study of candlesticks, charts, oscillators, and indicators. So without further ado, let me go into the lectures quickly because I don't want to exceed the 10 minutes. So quickly, I'm on Poloniex right now. I'm going to sign in with the account I opened a few days ago for the purpose of this training. And checking my browser. Let me get my phone. So, okay, so that counts okay. Because I've set the security on this account, I'm going to input my 2FA code, which I'm going to get from my phone, from my authenticator. Like I said yesterday, you can actually download the Google Authenticator using your Play Store for Android phone or Apple Store for iPhones. So let me use 04121. Okay. All right, so we are in the environment, Poloniex environment. First, let me go check my balance and deposit under deposits and withdrawals. Okay. Yeah, the altcoin markets have, oh wow, I have my $10 here. Already it's $10.24, Bitcoin actually appreciated to about $1,850 today. So here it is, BTC Bitcoin 0.0056. Okay, like I said yesterday, this is about 565,000 satoshis. So I have no open orders here. That's why this is showing. So I hope you're clear about how to deposit. Once again, you click on deposit, you copy this address, you take it to your blockchain or your Coinbase or whatever wallet you're using, Zappo or what have you. Then you send the amounts that we want to start trading with. You send it to this deposit address. So that's that. Today, we're going to talk about how to place our first trade. How to placing your first trade, how to buy and sell altcoins. And I'm going to take one coin as an example, which is Ripple. Let me go back to the exchange. Okay, it's loading. There's the charts. This is a Stellar Lumens. Like I said yesterday, there are 4 types of market: Bitcoin market, Ethereum, Monero, and USD Tether. So this altcoin, this is the volume. They are arranged the highest in terms of volume. What I mean by volume is trading volume and buying and selling, much activities. So since yesterday, Ripple has been the top on the list of trading volume on Poloniex of altcoins. So I'm going to try to buy Ripple. Before I go into that, you don't just come on Poloniex and start buying and selling like that. You need to carry out some fundamental and technical analysis. I'm still going to talk about that much more when I talk about trading tips. I'm going to talk about how to understand the charting system, how to use the oscillators, and how to actually know how the direction of the market will go. I will talk more about that under the trading tips. So for the purpose of those that they have been asking me in our trading group how to buy Ripple or any other coin, it's about the same things. The principle is the same. So then if I want to buy altcoins, Ripple for example, so this is the Ripple charts. This is a Fibonacci chart. Presently, as you can see, the market is going upward. Ripple market is going upward after this support has been touched. It bounced off. It's the resistance came down and it's going up again. So now you can see here, now I have my BTC. This is the BTC I have in my wallet, that is about 565,000 satoshis, which is a 0.00565 Bitcoin. So this is the current price. The current price is 22,590 satoshis. That's for the Ripple. So this is the price. So we can either fill any of these balls, the amount balls or the total balls. Now you can fill in the total balls. Okay, out of these 0.005, maybe I want to use 0.002, some percentage. I'm still going to talk about how to manage your capital. I'm still going to talk about it in later video, but this is just a demonstration of how to place trade. After you must have done all your analysis, whether technical or fundamental analysis, this is how to go about placing trade. So let's say, for instance, I want to buy maybe 10 Ripples or 20 Ripples or 50 Ripples. I'll type 50 here. Automatically, it will fill in the price for me. This is the price. So I don't have that much of money to buy this. So I would rather go with the amount of money I have, and it will give me the equivalent quantity of Ripple I can buy. So presently I have 0.005. So I want to be using 0.003 to trade. So 0.003. Like I said, this is just a demonstration. So 0.003 will give me 13.3345 Ripples. So I'm going to place the trade. I can buy. Just buy. It's loading. It's loading. So I bought Ripple at 22498. Okay, so the trade has been placed. Yeah, let's go. Okay, because of the change in the market, the price has actually appreciated to 768. So it kept the order in an open order. So when the price hits 22498, it's gonna trigger the buy order of 13 Ripples. So, but I don't want that. Let me show you. I want the current market price. So I'm gonna take the trade again. I'm gonna take the trade again, because actually I want to show you how to make the buy order and how to sell, get the sell order ready. So I'm going to cancel this. I want the current price. I want to buy at current price. I want to buy at the current price. Okay, the current price is at 22,795. 22,795. I'll type it in manually. 22,795. So I'm going to buy 13 Ripples. I buy. Click on buy quickly. It's loading. The internet is pretty slow. Alright, the order has been executed, and we have, if you see here, we have 13.3 Ripples. Now it is always advisable, once you buy your altcoin, to set a sell order, so that at your bought altcoin can close out in profit. Even if you're not there, you don't have to sit down with it and looking for the price at which you want to sell. So you can actually set it out. Once you set the trade, it automatically close out in profit once it gets to that price. So now we bought at 22,795 Satoshi. Let's take, for instance, perhaps maybe we are looking for a 5% profit, So maybe we want to sell at 23,934 Satoshi. 23,000. Let's say 24,000 Satoshi, or 23,095 Satoshis. We click here the amount of Ripple we want to sell. So immediately the price gets to this price, 2395, 2,395 Satoshi, 23,950 Satoshi. Automatically the order will sell. You will see now that it will take these automatically to open orders. Okay, the order has been executed, so it's going to sell at 23,950 Satoshi, which is 0.000239950. Okay, if you come here, you look at my open orders, you see, sell at this price. So automatically, once the price of Ripple gets to this, it sells, and you make a profit of the selling price will be 31 or 318,882. So basically that is how to buy and sell your altcoins for profit. So that will conclude this particular video on how to buy and buy altcoins on Poloniex or other exchanges. Basically, most exchanges follow the same principle. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates, as I'll be making more videos. Next video I'll be talking about trading tips, very important trading tips that you need to take into cognizance if you want to really be profitable in this altcoin business. I'll be talking about that in the next video. Comments, likes are welcome, and feedback, please, very important for this video. Thank you.